Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix HDMI audio not working in Windows 11. If you're not getting any sound through your HDMI connection, don't worry. We've got some simple steps to help you fix it. Step 1. Start by checking your HDMI cable and its connection. Make sure the cable is securely plugged into both your computer and your TV or monitor. A loose or faulty cable can prevent audio from being transmitted properly. Step 2. Now let's try manually selecting the HDMI output. Press the Windows and S keys together to open the search bar, then type Sound Settings and open it. From the list under Choose Where to Play Sound, select your HDMI device. Step 3. Next, let's set HDMI as the default playback device. In the same Sound Settings window, scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. In the Playback tab, right-click your HDMI device and choose Set as Default. Step 4. Still no sound? Run the built-in troubleshooter. Go back to Sound Settings, scroll to the bottom, and click Output Devices. Select your HDMI device, click Next, and follow the instructions to let Windows try fixing the issue automatically. Step 5. Finally, check if your audio drivers need updating. Press Windows X and choose Device Manager, then expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your HDMI audio device and select Update Driver, then click Search Automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective.